Oh yeah. Just what I wanted.
Yep. Whenever.
Wow, Hollywood shot, huh? What's that? Hollywood shot, headshot.
By doing this, you get 10 extra points on your score.
And it might help, for sure.
Sergeant Victor Netta, Chief Piedmont. So we have Bravo Company out here, entry-level officers. We usually come out for grass week to get them into positions. Most of these shooters out here, or students out here, have never really touched a weapon before. We get them in their positions because they're going to be required to shoot and qualify in certain positions for the Marine Corps. Yeah, I do. Majority of the grass week is just getting into these positions, getting used to it, getting your body used to it. It comes into, most people don't like sitting for long periods of time, or kneeling, or standing, or prone. So when you get them into these positions, and this is our second day out, you get them into these positions, they get used to it. When they go out on the range, it's comfortable and they're able to shoot. Our percentages show pretty well. So some have shot normally. A couple of them, you know, out in the backwoods, shooting a shotgun or a pistol or a rifle. And they've ended up developing some bad habits. So we try to break them. Usually the shooters that we have, that we like, are ones that never touched a weapon before because they don't have bad habits. Every once in a while we've had Olympic shooters come out and, you know, participate in Olympics or do competition shooting, join the Marine Corps, become officers, and then they come out here and they end up having, I wouldn't say bad habits, but they have different habits that the Marine Corps standards are not. So we have to teach them how to be a Marine.